Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check if someone is logged into your Messenger account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is sign into Messenger, select the menu icon on the bottom right, and then go underneath the menu at the top left and select Settings. Scroll down and select where it says Password and Security near the bottom of this page. Underneath Account Settings, select Password and Security. And then scroll down where it says Security Checks. You can select Login Alerts and where you're logged in to see if anyone's recently signed into your device. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.